Hello and welcome back. My name is Andrei.
And I'm Dominika.
And we're back again with another reaction to
The Who with the Wolf Totem.
Alright.
Official music video. We've done The Who before.
That's
A
correct.
few months back. They're quite interesting band. They're from my favorite place in the world after
One of the
Alaska.
favorite.
After Alaska.
After Alaska,
Yeah,
okay.
Mongolia. It's on my bucket list. So it's Alaska, then Mongolia, and then there's a few others. But anyway, and we know that they like folky heavy metal band, isn't it?
That's correct.
Yeah, and we have this recommended by one of our supporter, but also it was in the comments when we've done the the Who before. Sorry, I'm lost for you. Keep looking at me. And
Well, I
distracting
just
me.
like how you talk.
Okay.
I don't know. What's the
Like a
matter this
teacher.
morning?
Let me tell you the story. Like
not
a
about the
teacher.
story.
Okay, but anyway, the Who, they were really cool guys. I did enjoy the fact that they incorporate traditional instruments into the modern kind of
and
film.
sounds and
So
everything,
they selling their
cool.
culture. That's what it's not selling. Selling is the word. They promoting their culture, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ready?
Of course.
Of course.
Yes.
Alright.
Hit it.
Jump on my horse.
Hit.
Let's go. Ready? What?
Nothing.
Did I say something?
No, go.
I tried to be funny.
Go.
I'm going.
Please go.
Arnold.
Definitely not Arnold. It's a bit like a movie. I'm so excited.
This is like a movie.
Oh. Hang on a minute. I'm so sorry. These people live in Mongolia? That's the Mongolia I don't know. If you, I mean,
Well,
really? Wow, that's seriously cool.
what do you mean? I mean, the bikes?
Yeah, the bikers.
Alright.
I sort of like yeah.
What do you expect? Only horses?
No, of course not. But you know, this is very American a little bit, if you know what I mean, like
Right.
the Harleys and all
like
that. But
when you say, "Oh, feel like a movie," and then they come with the bikes, it feel like a different movie coming with the, you know.
yeah. Was that filmed in Mongolia? That's so
I think
cool. I
so.
love it so much. Okay, I'm sorry. Wow. No way. This is so cool. Wow. Oh my gosh, you know what? I didn't expect that at all. I don't know what I expected. I remember from the previous songs we done that they're quite cool guys. But this is like completely I love the video. Do you?
Videos. I do like how they look. I do like how they sound. The Mongolian it sounds so pretty. I don't understand what they say, nothing, but it's so beautiful. Like
yes, it is.
and
It's got a
sounds
soul
and everything.
in
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
it?
That's for sure.
Wow.
It's just like I don't know.
I'm so happy that there are lyrics actually because that helps a lot. I mean English lyrics on the bottom because that helps a lot. But I don't know. I don't know. I'm so happy. I don't know what to say. I'm so
they
happy.
are not scared. They're fighting everyone.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Wow.
I love the instruments. I love the voice. I love the kind of like a vibe of the song, the atmosphere. It's feel traditional, but it's definitely with a modern twist. If that makes sense.
For me, feel traditional.
Yeah, it feels very traditional. But then when you look at the bikers and all that,
that's for sure.
That's what I mean. It's
It's like the sound of the the land.
Yes, you're right.
Just...
the sound of the land. Wow. Wow. If I may, you know what? It's almost you look at the lyrics and all that. It's almost like they send a warning to the world. You know, you come with peace, that we fine. But if you come and we're gonna fight till the end. And
I do like it. They're so old school.
Exactly.
By sword and archery.
Yes, that's true.
That's true. Wow. I don't care about what weapons you have. I mean, God,
this is us. Wow.
You can see
that is
not
so beautiful.
Just my bravery in them. They are like, wow, beautiful. And I don't know, the sound is just amazing. All these instruments creating this atmosphere. For me, it's quite. I mean, we done it before the Who, and I feel it, and I know how kind of I watch a Mongolian 2 films or something. But it's from there you can feel that the tradition is just wow, it's so beautiful.
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 Wow. You know what? The Who sounds like how should I put it? Like everything they do in a put in a song, all the writing, all the symbols, I definitely it's got a deep meaning. It's not just something to do as a pretty thing. I think it's everything's got a deep connection with the culture, with the tradition. It feels this way. Although I know so so little, but
Well,
it is so.
we done at school about it.
Well, yeah. No, I understand. But
How brave they are and
of
how
course, that's correct.
they deadly they've been all over the place where they go
That's
with Jinji-san and all that. It
Yeah.
was just wow. The Hoons.
The Who. That I was very
Beautiful.
surprised by the bikers. I'm gonna say that again, and it's not because I don't want to sound like ignorance. Oh my god, it's not that I'm surprised that there are bikes in Mongolia. Absolutely, that's not what I meant. But I didn't expect that
In a video.
In a video, yeah, I didn't know that they have a the bikers culture like that in Mongolia. Because in Poland we don't have it.
I think you do.
But not like this one's felt a little bit more American. Yes, we have bikers in Poland, of course, all over the world there are bikers. I'm not saying that there isn't, but this one I just didn't expect to see that in that video. That's all I was saying. But it's pretty, and it was pretty cool.
It was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did like it too. The sound and everything was just amazing. All right, hope you enjoy our reaction and see you again next time. Have a lovely day and all the best. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.